Hello, today we will guide you through how to trade in IC markets. To begin, open the Secure Client Area Home Dashboard for IC markets. This is the main account area where you can access platform tools and trading services. Once the dashboard loads, take a moment to get oriented with the layout so it's easier to follow the next part of the process. From the left-hand navigation menu, click on Downloads. This section is where IC Markets provides access to its available trading platforms and related tools. If you don't immediately see the option, look carefully along the sidebar until you find it. After that, click on WebTrader. WebTrader is the browser-based version of the platform, which means you can access trading directly from your web browser without needing to install desktop software. This is especially convenient if you want a quick and simple way to place trades. Next, click Open WebTrader. This will launch the online trading platform in your browser. Depending on your connection or browser settings, it may take a few moments to fully load, so give it a second if needed. Once WebTrader is open, find the server drop-down that shows IC Markets SC-MT5 and click it. This menu lets you choose the environment you want to use. In this example, the next action is to select Demo, which is useful for practice trading. A demo environment allows you to become familiar with the platform and test trade execution without using live funds. After selecting Demo, click. Continue to MT5. This takes you into the MetaTrader 5 web platform using the chosen environment. When the platform opens, you'll see the trading interface, including market watch areas, charts, and order controls. Now select a sample symbol. This means choosing the asset you want to trade, such as a currency pair or another available instrument. Selecting a symbol is important because the platform needs to know which market you want to place your order in. Make sure the symbol is highlighted or active before moving on. Finally, click Buy or Sell to place the trade direction you want. Choosing Buy means you expect the price to rise, while choosing Sell means you expect the price to fall. Before clicking, it's a good idea to quickly confirm that you are on the correct symbol and that you understand the direction you're choosing, especially when practicing trade entry. And that's the process for opening WebTrader and IC markets, switching to the demo MT5 environment, selecting a symbol, and placing a basic trade. If you're new to the platform, repeating these steps a few times in demo mode can help you build confidence and become more comfortable with the trading workflow.